Hello students, let's move on to the next module of this chapter. In this module we will learn how to identify whether a given list of numbers is AP or not. Actually we already know it, we just need to find the difference between the two consecutive terms. If the difference turns out to be the same, it's an AP or else it's not an AP, as simple as that. So let's start with the sums directly. The question is, which of the following list of numbers is an AP? The very first sub question is 2, 4, 8 and 16. Let's start. What's an AP? AP is a sequence in which the difference between any two consecutive terms remain the same. So let's find the difference between two consecutive terms. But just from the presentation's point of view, what you need to do is, you need to first give it a denotion, like the first term A1, the second term A2, the third term A3, the fourth term A4. Just define that first, right, in every sum. So let's define it. The first term, that is 2, so A1 is equal to 2. A2 is equal to the second term, which is 4. A3 is equal to the third term, which is 8. And A4 is equal to the fourth term, which is 16, right? So first thing what you need to do in such sums is give it a denotion, A1, A2, A3, A4. Now let's find the difference between two consecutive terms. The difference is A2 minus A1, which is equal to 4 minus 2, which is equal to 2. Then A3 minus A2, which is equal to 8 minus 4, which is equal to 4. What do you observe? The difference was 2. Then the difference became 4. Is the difference same? No, the difference is not same. And because the difference is not same, we come to a conclusion that the given sequence or the given list of numbers is not an AP. As simple as that. Simple? Let's go through one more sum, which is absolutely similar. This time the list given is minus 10, minus 6, minus 2 and 2. Let's start. Let's find the difference between the two consecutive terms. But for that, first let's give them a name, give them a denotion, right? So the first thing is A1 is equal to minus 10, A2 is equal to minus 6, A3 is equal to minus 2 and A4 is equal to 2, right? Now let's find the difference. How do we find the difference? Remember, the first thing we do is A2 minus A1. What is A2 minus A1? Just be little careful here as far as the calculations are concerned, because there is a negative sign involved, right? So it will be minus 6 minus of minus 10. Now when you open the brackets, it will become minus 6 plus 10, which is equal to 4. Let's find the second difference now. That is A3 minus A2. That's minus 2 minus of minus 6, which is minus 2 plus 6, which is equal to 4. Now let's find A4 minus A3. That's A4 minus A3, which is equal to 2 minus of minus 2. That's 2 plus 2, which is equal to 4. So what do you observe here? We observe that the difference is the same, 4, 4, 4. And since the difference between two consecutive terms is a constant, the given sequence is definitely an AP. Simple? Let's go through one more sum. The sum is 0.2, 0.22, 0.222, 0.2222, right? Let's start. We need to find the difference between the two consecutive terms, but before that, don't forget to denote. The first is, let A1 is equal to 0.2, let A2 is equal to 0.22, let A3 is equal to 0.222, and let A4 is equal to 0.2222, right? Now what we need to do, we need to find the difference, A2 minus A1. What's A2 minus A1 here? It's 0.22 minus 0.2. 0.22 minus 0.2. So hope you all know the subtraction here. The answer is 0.02. Now let's find A3 minus A2, which is equal to 0.222 minus 0.22. The answer will be 0.002. What do you observe? 0.02, 0.002. The difference is same? No, the difference is not same. And because the difference is not same, the given sequence is definitely not an AP. Let's move on to the next sum. The sum is 0, minus 4, minus 8 and minus 12. Let's do it. Solution. Find the difference between two consecutive terms. But before that, what we need to do? Give it a denotion. A1 is equal to 0. A2 is equal to minus 4, A3 is equal to minus 8, A4 is equal to minus 12. Now let's find the difference. A2 minus A1. What's A2 minus A1 here? Minus 4 minus 0. That's minus 4. Now do what? A3 minus A2. What's A3 minus A2? That's minus 8 minus of minus 4. That's minus 8 plus 4, which is equal to minus 4. Now find A4 minus A3, which is minus 12 minus of minus 8, which minus 12 plus 8, which is equal to minus 4. What do we observe? The difference is the same, and because the difference is the same, the given list of numbers is definitely an AP. As simple as that.